Well, you know, on the side of the
As you
road,
can
but
see on the train tracks,
oh yeah.
there's a single car that moves by itself. Might as well call this the haunted car. I don't know, but it moves on its own. The train came
Right.
through not that long ago and went right through it. Here it goes again. For example, look at this. Let me get closer,
What
people,
about
and
baby
show you.
Peaches?
This train goes right through this car.
Nope.
As I said, prime example. Look at that. Ladies and gentlemen, the train went right through this ghost moving car, and you see this car is still going. No train attached to it, just moving by itself. This is some crazy crap.